Hey there, people. How's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Sure Sense air freshener. And this is the Sunny Breeze fragrance. Yeah, it's scented like a sunny breeze. Yeah, it's a very nice scented air freshener. You can put just about anywhere. How I use these is I put these in places like behind my toilet, in my bathroom, all my bathrooms, or in my closet, and I use them in certain cabinets of the house where it tends to get a little stuffy and just kind of a little not so fresh, smell in there. Yeah, and it makes a really nice smelling area. I've used Sure Sense probably for the last 2-3 years now. My wife turned me on to these because I never knew really what was making the bathroom smell a certain way, and it was changing because I never really looked that much behind my toilet in my bathroom. But she was putting these back there, and I finally found out about it, and I was like, oh, so that's it, I thought at first it was the shampoos we were using and soaps and stuff, but no, it was these, and they keep this bathroom smelling very, very fresh and very nice. How it works is, it just looks like a kind of a flat little squatty little jar, and it has these little fragrant beads inside that have a nice little oily scent on them. What you do is, now normally you would take this part off like this on the top, like that, and there would be a seal on the top, but I had already taken that off before I knew I was going to use it. The seal looks like this, yeah, and it's usually on the top right there, like that. So when you unscrew it, you would take this part off, screw this back on, and then you would peel this part back and take this off like this. Yeah. And all the fragrance is gonna come out and make you smell the glory coming out of the top like that, right? The smell is very nice. This Sunny Breeze is not my absolute favorite. There's several of these, but it is one of them. It's the top 3. Yeah, it's really, really nice. It really makes you, it reminds me of the ocean, kind of, But it's a very nice fragrance. But like I said, the fragrance is nice, but it's not an overwhelming smell, meaning it's not really super strong to where like just too much, It just gives you just enough to make the area smell fresh, and that's exactly what you want. You don't want like this really nice smell that's overpowering everything, and it's just consuming the room, A lot of times there are fragrances out there that are just too strong. Yeah. Now, if I suggest this though, even though these aren't very overwhelming, what I do if I'm putting this in a closed space, like a closet or a cabinet or something like that, because those can be very small spaces, what I would do instead of taking this entire lid off, when you unscrew this, you just keep this on there and just punch a hole about as big as, say, like a quarter or maybe 2/4, you know, and leave this on there, you know. Then put this back on top and then peel the top, you know, back. So only a certain amount of fragrance comes out sparingly, you know, because in small spaces like that, and it can get a little bit overwhelming. So yeah, that's what I do with small spaces. But in large rooms like bathroom or bedrooms or anything like that, I just peel the whole thing off and it's fine. I like this a lot. Okay, well, we've been talking about the Sure Scents air freshener, the Sunny Breeze scented one. Okay, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. Okay, bye-bye.